Welcome to Mountain View High School, where innovation takes flight and boundaries are broken. Today we invite you to embark on an exhilarating journey into the world of drone racing. Drone racing is not just a hobby, it's a thrilling sport that combines technology, skill, and pure adrenaline. At Mountain View High School, we're proud to introduce this cutting-edge activity, providing our students with an opportunity to push the boundaries of what's possible. In our state-of-the-art drone racing program, students dive into the world of technology and engineering, gaining valuable hands-on experience with advanced technologies. But drone racing isn't just about the technical aspects. It's an adrenaline-fueled competition that tests reflexes, precision, and strategic thinking. Our students engage in thrilling races, navigating challenging courses with speed and precision, all while competing against their fellow pilots. As they race through the sky, they experience the rush of speed, the thrill of maneuvering through obstacles, and the satisfaction of achieving new personal bests. So, if you're ready to soar to new heights, join the Mountain View High School Drone Racing League.